Hey guys, welcome back to Lamelli Armory. Today I'm going to be looking at the SB Tactical FS1913 Pistol Stabilizing Brace. Alright guys, so there are two models of the FS1913. So there is a polymer and there is an aluminum. I actually have the aluminum already. Decided to try out the polymer since there are a lot of sales on these going on right now. So the only difference is the type of material that rail right here is made out of. So you either get the aluminum or the polymer. And so this is what it looks like in the back of the box. It is a folding brace, and it does help to stabilize when firing. Let's go ahead and open up the box. All right. So way down in there, there's a SB Tactical sticker. And then there is a pamphlet here of all the different models. And also installation instructions and helpful tips. Good info there. And here is the FS1913 brace. So even though it's polymer, it does feel really sturdy. Very nice. Alright, so here's the Springfield Armory Kuna with the aluminum FS1913 brace. Then here is the polymer. So you can see absolutely identical other than the materials that they're used. You can tell a little bit of a difference here with the aluminum and the polymer. But otherwise, they're completely the same. And so if you want to go ahead and collapse it, you actually have to press this up. And at first it's really sturdy, so just be patient with it. The more you use it, of course, it's going to break down a little bit, but it's not going to keep it from moving or anything like that. So in order to extend it out again, you'd have to hold this up and then lock it in place. Just like that. Alright guys, so that was the SB Tactical FS1913 Pistol Stabilizing Brace. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.